Hello fellas, we are looking into the series The Basic Concepts of Coding that every coding aspirant should know. In this video, we are going to see about operators. Before we dive into the video, I welcome you all to our channel. This is Click, Fix, Code with SK. In this channel, we learn together, code together and have fun together. Back to the topic. What is operators? Well, operators are symbols that perform specific operations on variables or values in a program, which will help us to manipulate data, perform calculations, compare values, and control the flow of your program. Let's see about the type of operators with examples. First, we are looking into arithmetic operators, which is used to perform basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, etc. Well, these are the examples for the arithmetic operations. Next, we are looking into the assignment operator, which is used to assign a value to a variable. It has equal to, which is used to assign a value to a variable. Like if a equal to 5, in this, the value 5 is assigned to the variable a. Then we are having plus equal to, which is used to perform the arithmetic operation first and then assign the value to the variable. Let's see, a plus equal to b, which is similar to a is equal to a plus b. First, the arithmetic operation between a and b is done and the value is stored inside the variable a. Similarly, we have minus equal to, star equal to, division equal to, modulus equal to, etc. Next, we are looking into comparison or relational operator, which is used to compare two values and return a boolean value, that is true or false, based on the condition. First, we have double equal to, which is used to compare two values whether it is equal or not. Like we have not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than equal to. Well, these are the examples for relational operators. Next, we are looking into the logical operators, which is used to combine multiple conditions together. Like we have AND or NOT. In the AND operator, whether all the conditions are true, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. In OR operator, if any one condition satisfies, it returns true. The NOT operator is used to return the opposite value we get, that is, if we get true, it returns false. Next, we are looking into the bitwise operator, which is used to perform binary operations like binary AND, binary OR, XOR, NOT, left shift, right shift. Well, these operators are not used by the beginner coders, but it is used in the advanced levels. Next, we are looking into the identity operators, which is used to compare the memory location of two objects, which is commonly used in Python. The operators are is not. Examples are if x is y, it returns true, else it returns false. The next, we are looking into membership operator, which is used to test if a value exists in a sequence, which is also commonly used in Python. Operators are in, not in. If we have a list of values, that is a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then print 4 in a, it returns true because the value 4 is present in the list a. The next, we are looking into the ternary operator, which is also known as conditional operator, because this operator is similar to a if-else condition. It has the true block, condition section and an else block. Well, these are the types of operators in every programming languages. But these operators should follow a set of rules, which is called the precedence of operator. In other words, which operator gets the higher priority and which gets the least priority, which is similar to a mathematical rule, BODMAS. In coding, it is known as PEMDAS. P stands for parenthesis, E for exponential, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. This is the order in which the operator should follow in execution. Well, this is the order of execution with an example. First, it executes the values inside the parenthesis. Next, it moves to the exponential value, then multiplies the values, then it divides it, then the subtraction is done. Well, this is all about operators, and how we use them. Hope you understand what are operators and how we use them. If you like this video, give me a like and share it with the other coding aspirants you know. And subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon to get more updates as soon as our next video comes up. Life is full of learnings. Doing mistakes in it doesn't make us bad at all. Learn from those mistakes and move forward no matter what. We are humans. Let's embrace doing mistakes and learn from those mistakes together. Doing mistakes is the part of learning. See you all until next time.